Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're looking at something a little different. A portable massage chair that's perfect for both beauty professionals and anyone who loves a good massage on the go. The Massage Chair Portable Massage Chair Tattoo Spa is designed for ease, comfort, and convenience, whether you're traveling or setting up in your studio. But does it actually deliver on all these promises? Let's dive in and take a closer look. This massage chair is crafted with practicality in mind. It's lightweight, coming in at just 23 pounds, making it easy to fold, pack, and carry around. Ideal for people who need to move quickly or need a compact solution for their space. The high-density foam upholstery promises a soft and comfortable massage experience, and the chair itself supports up to 300 pounds with a static capacity of 700 pounds, ensuring a sturdy structure. When I first set this chair up, I was impressed by how quickly I could assemble it. No tools required, just a quick 3-minute setup, which is exactly as described. Everything you need is right in the box. It's a huge bonus for anyone who's not particularly handy or doesn't want to waste time fiddling with complicated instructions. Now let's talk about comfort. The foam feels plush and supportive, which is great for extended use. Whether you're using it for tattoo work or a personal spa experience, it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. The PU leather wrap is smooth to the touch, easy to clean, and is water and oil proof, making cleanup a breeze after any session. Plus, the gloss powder-coated finish on the frame adds a layer of durability that suggests this chair is built to last. In terms of stability, I put it to the test by using it for a few hours at a time. The structure held up just as promised, supporting my weight comfortably without feeling wobbly or unstable. If you're working in a professional setting, this is key. No one wants a massage chair that feels like it's going to collapse. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the chair is incredibly portable, easy to assemble, and has a comfortable, supportive design. The high-density foam is genuinely pleasant for long sittings, and the durability of the materials is impressive. Plus, the waterproof and oil-proof features make maintenance hassle-free. Big win for professionals in the beauty or tattoo industry. On the downside, while it's advertised as being for a range of uses, I found the chair could feel a bit bulky when fully assembled if you're tight on space. It's not the most compact in its fully open state, so consider your available room before setting it up. Now, when it comes to value for money, it's pretty reasonable for what you're getting. The build quality and comfort are solid, especially considering its portability. If you're someone who needs a chair that can travel with you or be stored without a hassle, this one's a good fit. It's durable, but you are paying for that durability and convenience, so just be mindful of that in comparison to other models on the market. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you might consider other folding massage chairs, though they may not come with the same level of sturdiness and high-end features like the PU leather or the 700-pound static capacity. However, if you're looking for something for home use and don't need the portability, you might find a more affordable chair that offers similar comfort without the added travel features. Overall, this chair performs well, and its practical design can certainly benefit professionals who need a reliable, portable massage chair for their work. While it's ideal for people who need to move between locations, anyone looking for something more stationary or budget-conscious might want to look elsewhere. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so others can discover our honest, expert reviews. Your support makes it possible for us to keep creating these videos and giving you the best insights. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And if you've tried this chair or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.